This example is very similar to example 2 because dividing rational expressions is much like multiplying rational expressions. I just need to have my first step where I change my division to multiplication, because dividing is the same as multiplying by the reciprocal. So this expression is equivalent to 5x squared times y cubed over y to the 7th times y cubed over 30 xy to the 4th. So again, I'm going to simplify, and I'll leave that to you, but I want to talk about under what conditions is the expression undefined. So I want to start with my original. So this is undefined, first off, if y is equal to 0, because I would be dividing by 0 here. So y cannot be 0. Same is true for this one, so I don't need to do that again. But over here I would. Look at that. But also this whole quantity can't be 0 because I'm also dividing by this whole quantity. Well, the whole quantity is 0 if the numerator is 0. So in this situation, I would also have that x cannot be 0. So again, we want to start with the original to determine when we can have, when our function is undefined. So let's look at this one for the undefined bit. Okay, so I'm looking and I know that x squared plus x cannot be 0. So clearly that means x cannot be 0. This also factors though. Notice that factors into x times x plus 1. So x cannot be 0, but also x cannot be -1. Looking at this term, I can't divide by 0. I already have that. But also I'm dividing by this whole thing. This whole thing is 0 when x plus 3 is equal to 0. So x cannot be equal to -3. I'll leave you to simplify the multiplications, and again, you can check your answers online.